only me to tell. I know you have to. All that we've been through.
Ang inig.
Made us into who we are and where
Congrats! Congrats, Krisa!
At last.
Yeah. At lagi mong tatandaan, pag galit siya, dapat mas galit ka din.
there can be no imitations.
Tama naman po ako gumawa nito eh.
Same as anyone. We gonna let it shine. This is our only life. We can embrace a chance beyond of ourselves. So many ways. We are the same with different qualities, and that's something to embrace. So let it show with no apologies. There's nothing better than the real.
Pangit.
To
Yay!
love yourself can help us all. So let it show to let 'em know. Every soul can speak and we can hear the call. We gonna let it shine.
Oh. Oh. 5,000! Babasagin yan. Pag ganyan mga tanungan, hindi ako masyadong magbigay ng words. More on emotions talaga yung kaya kong ibigay sa kanya. Alam niya yun, pag nakita niya na ako, sumiyak na ako, gano'n. Alam niya na parang hindi ko na bumibigay na ako.
Remember, you deserve the loving. So give yourself the most you can. And then let it go. And let 'em know here I am.
Bakit ang laki na?
We gonna
Bakit ang laki? Uy, ba't ang bigat?
this is our only life.
Buksan na.
We can embrace it.
I know sabi mo wag na mag-give, but you know me. Haha. Let's enjoy this day. See you. I love you so much. Your wife. Soon. Hindi ko pa alam eh. Parang nakakabahan na blanco pa. Hindi pa nagsisingkin. Siguro mamaya pag nakita ko na si Chris.
Far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And we come to
Pamangkin ko.
me on a summer breeze. Keep me warm in your
Hindi ako
love.
magaling sa words eh. But see you later. Love you.
You need to show how deep is your love. Is your love, how deep is your love?
Krisa, it's been 13 years mula nang nahulog ako sa'yo. Mahirap man alalahanin ang unang araw na nakilala kita. Pero tandang-tanda ko ang mga sandaling nahulog ako sa'yo.
I believe you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest hour. My savior when I fall. And you may not think that I care for you.
We both know that getting here, a lot of commitment, forgiveness, and patience, and a lot of love.
How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn.
Hindi ka na sa biyaya ngayon?
World of fools. Can I stand when the ocean leaves me? We belong together.
finally here. By the grace of God, we are finally getting married.
Flow me on the wind of your whisper. Whisper sweet nothings in my ear. Pull me in, take a chance. Pull me closer for a dance. Tell me all the things I wanna hear. Tell me how yours and you are mine.
I will always know that you are my person, my best friend, my favorite kaaway, ang sumbungan, the one who calms the storm. And I will always be grateful that you are my God's best.
These three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.
Buong puso kong ipinapahayag ang pag-ibig ko sa iyo. At sa wakas, natupad na rin ang matagal nating pinaplano, ang ikasal sa isa't isa.
Softness of your touch.
The newlyweds,
Run your fingers
Mr.
through my hair.
and Mrs.
Stroke my cheek with so
Mia
much care.
and Krista Joy Serrano.
That never dies. Hold my hand and never let it go. Show me through your hands what's in.
Kahit na naalala ko pa lang siya and naluluhan ako. Iniisip ko lang yung mga past memories namin. Ganyan. Mahina na talaga. Parang bumabagsak na talaga yung luha ko. What more pa mamaya? So, good luck sa akin.
Love not only from us, but also from our parents, our family, and friends. To our parents, Papa Eric, and Tatay Mac, thank you for believing in us and accepting us wholeheartedly. And to Nanay Emmy, ang isang taong alam kong pinakahintay tong araw na to. Nay, ito na kami.
Krisa, bilang pagtatapos ng aking maikling talumpati, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na ikaw ang aking kapayapaan, ang aking ligaya, at pipiliin kitang mahalin araw-araw.
Tutuparin ko yung pangako ko kay nanay na hindi kita iiwan. I vow to love you, respect you, and always fight for us. And thank you for loving me, especially on the days I find it hard to love myself.